Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Technical Sherry, and this is me your host Sherry, and in this video we are going to learn what are the dermatological problem. So we have to search here dermatological problems. Skin conditions, disease and disorders. National Institutes of Health. Health topic. Allergics, irritants, genetic makeup, certain disease and immune system problem can cause skin conditions. Acne. So what is acne? It is caused when blocked skin follicles from a plug caused by oil from glands, bacteria and dead cells clump together and swell. Alphokia areata. What is Alphokia areata? It is a condition that attacks your hair follicles. In most cases, hair falls out. So there are different skin disease types like acne, pemphigus. So what is pemphigus? It is a disease where the immune system attacks healthy cells in the top layer of skin, resulting in blisters. So what is psoriasis? Is a skin disease that causes red scald skin that may feel painful, swollen or hot. Atopic dermatitis. It is a skin disease causing much itchiness, scratching leads to redness, swelling, cracking, weeping, clear fluid, rusting and scaling. What is rosacea? It is a long-term disease that causes reddened skin and pimples, usually on the face. It can also make the skin thicker and cause eye problem. So we have to learn about the dermatological branch. The dermatological branch conducts both clinical and basic research. The dermatological branch conducts clinical and basic investigation of skin biology and research the etiology, diagnosis and treatment of skin disease. Biochemical and biological studies of skin are carried out in the laboratories and the clinic. Research areas include the skin as an immunological organ and the role of tissue, leukocytes, microbiota, crosstalk in mediating immunological and structural homeostasis. Inflammatory skin disease in patients and in murine model. The human microbiome in healthy individual as well as patient with atopic dermatitis and selected primary. Long-term clinical and laboratory studies and investigator-initiated therapeutic trials in chronic graft versus host disease. Skin stem cells, including Merkel cell. Observational and interventional clinical studies are conducted in branch involving patients with a broad range of disease. Some studies are led by a branch investigator while others are performed in collaboration with outside investigators. Clinical care, dermatology consultation services, led by Edward W. Cowan, MD, MHSC. Your dermatological consultation service is one of the busiest clinical services in the NIH Clinical Research Center and is responsible for all outpatient and inpatient dermatological outpatient. It evaluates and treats patients with a variety of rare disease with cutaneous manifestation as well as any patient who experiences adverse reaction to experimental therapeutic agents or manifest unrelated skin condition while at NIH. Leslie Casitolo Socio, MD PhD, is a board certified in dermatology and pediatric dermatology. Her primary research interests are hair disorder and autoimmune disease. She is principal investigator on a natural history study of immune-mediated alopecia in children and adults. This protocol evaluates the natural history of alopecia and factors such as genes, the immune system, and the microbiome that may contribute to its evolution. So, clinical trials. What is clinical trial? Clinical trial at NIAMS. Clinical trials are medical research studies in which people participated as volunteers. They help research bettors understand the normal biological process, learn more about disease and conditions, and develop new treatments and medication. Find a clinical trial. There are several ways to search for clinical trial that may be right for you. An IAMS clinical studies see the full list of future participating in a trial. Once you have decided to participate in a trial, learn more about the what happens behind information to help get answers to your questions about participating in a clinical trial. Patient information get answer to all of your questions including the admission process. Healthy volunteer information. Find out why healthy volunteers are needed and how you can volunteer to participate in a clinical study. Glossary of clinical trial terms. Learn what all the terms mean so you can better understand clinical trials and make an informed decision about whether to participate. Sport scientific programs. The NIAMS funds research at institutions throughout the US and around the world. We accept investigator-initiated application as well as accept application for research grants and contract in response to a publish funding opportunity request or for application request for proposal or program announcements. Arthritis biology program. Basic translation and clinic research on a number of arthritic diseases including rheumatoid arthritis, juvenile arthritis, Lyme arthritis, and more. Cartilage and connective tissue program. Research on cartilage and connective tissue and the condition that affects them. For health topic, we will say it's skin disease, dermatologist, muscle and bone disease can also back pain. Back pain is one of the most common medical problem in the United States. It can range from a dull, constant ache to sudden sharp pain that makes it hard to move. Marfan syndrome. What is Marfan syndrome? It is a disorder that affects connective tissue which supports many parts of your body. Marfan syndrome is often a genetic disease. Uh, Conducting clinical trial policy guidelines and templates. So you have to be aware of about the guidelines. Data and safety monitoring guidelines and policies. Guidelines for oversight and monitoring for clinical trial to ensure the safety of participating and validity and integrity of the data. Clinical study tools and templates. Tools and templates for developing a manual of operating procedures to facilitate consistency across study participants and site. So guys, we will NIH National Institutes of Arthritis and Musculoskeletal and Skin Disease. So guys, we will end this video here. We will meet in the next video with another topic. So till then, goodbye. Hopefully we will understand that you will now know what are the dermatological problems on humans. So till then, goodbye.